Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unblock a number on TECLAST T60. To block or unblock a number, open Phone app and now go to Contacts, choose the contact you want to block. I'm gonna show you two ways you can block a contact that's in your contacts list, or a phone number that's not in your contacts. So let's first block and unblock a contact. To do it, choose a contact, then click on these three dots, block numbers. You can report them as spam as well if you want that. And to unblock it, click on three dots and click on unblock numbers, then unblock. Now I'm gonna show you how to block a number that's not in your contacts, and to do it, click on three dots, then settings, then blocked numbers, add a number, and now you can enter here the number you want to block. And now it is blocked. To unblock it, click on an X, then unblock. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.